नमस्कार मित्रांनो, तुमचं स्वागत आहे स्टडी ब्युटिफुल या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. आज आपण MSc केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट इयर सेमिस्टर फर्स्ट यातील ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री याचा सिलेबस पाहूया. तर आपण या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये MSc केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट इयर सेमिस्टर फर्स्ट इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री याचा सिलेबस पाहिलेला आहे.
Unit I, A. Nature and bonding in organic molecule. Delocalized chemical bonding, conjugation, cross-conjugation, resonance, hyper-conjugation, aromaticity in benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds. Alternate and non-alternant hydrocarbons. Huckel's rule. Energy level of pi molecules orbitals, annulenes, antiaromaticity, homo-aromoaticity. Aromatic character in chemistry of cyclopentadienyl anion. Tropylium cation, tropone and tropolone. Frost circles, the Polygon Method, for drawing energy levels in cyclic pi systems. B. Carbenes. Types of carbenes, structure and reactivity of carbenes. Generation, structure and reactions, insertion, addition, rearrangement reactions of carbenes, nucleophilic attack on carbenes, Simmons-Smith reaction, ReimerTiemann reaction, Carbylamine reaction, Shapiro reaction, Bamford-Stevens reaction and Wolff rearrangement. C. Nitrene, generation, structure and reactions. Unit 2, Stereochemistry. Conformational analysis of cycloalkanes, 5 to 8 membered rings, substituted cyclohexanes, mono-substituted, disubstituted and trisubstituted cyclohexanes, decalin system. Effect of conformation on reactivity. Conformational analysis of N-butane and its derivatives, ethylene glycol, 1,2-dihaloethane and related compounds. Elements of symmetry. Concept of chirality and molecular dissymmetry. Molecules with more than one chiral center, meso compounds, trio and erythroisomers. Method of resolution, optical purity, topicity of ligands. Enantiotropic and stereotopic atoms, groups and phasors. Prochirality, can-ing gold prelog system to describe configuration at chiral centers. Interconversion of Newman, Sohos and Fischer projection. Asymmetrical synthesis, optical activity in absence of chiral carbon, biphenyl, spiranes and alanines. Chirality due to helical shape. Chirality of heteroatoms. Stereospecific and stereoselective synthesis. Unit 3, A. Reaction mechanism. Types of reaction, types of mechanism, kinetic and thermodynamic control, Hammond's postulate, Curtin-Hammett principle. Potential energy diagrams, transition states and intermediates, methods of determining mechanisms, trapping of intermediates, checking for common intermediate, competition and crossover experiments. Isotope effects, hard and soft acids and bases. B. Effect of structure on reactivity, resonance and field effects, steric effect, quantitative treatment. The Hammett equation and linear free energy relationship, substituent and reaction constants, Taft equation. C. Aromatic electrophilic substitution, the rhenium ion mechanism. Orientation and reactivity, energy profile diagrams. The O-P ratio, ipso attack, orientation in benzene ring with more than one substituents, orientation in another ring system. Friedel-Crafts reaction, Willsmere-Hack reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction, Beckmann reaction, diazonium coupling, Blanc chloromethylation, Kolb-Schmidt reaction. Unit IV. A. Aliphatic nucleophilic substitution. The SN1, SN2, mixed SN1, SN2N set and SNI mechanisms. Nucleophility, effect of leaving group, ambient nucleophiles and ambient substrates. Regiospecificity. Substitution at allylic and vinylic carbon atoms, Mitsunobu reaction. B. Concept of neighboring group participation. Anchimeric assistance with mechanism. Neighboring group participation by pi and sigma bonds, classical and non-classical carbocations, intramolecular displacement by hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. Alkyl, cycloalkyl, aryl participation, participation in bicyclic system, migratory aptitude. C. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution. A general introduction to different mechanisms of aromatic nucleophilic substitutions na, SN1, benzene and SRN1 mechanisms, ends as reaction intermediate. Reactivity effect of substrate structure leaving group and attacking nucleophile. The von Richter and Smiles rearrangements Chichi-Babin-amination reaction. Benzene structure, methods of generations and reactions.